Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this video in which we are going to show you that how you can easily use the functionality of Microsoft Excel using mm, the tricks which are very much available in Excel to highlight your latest entries so that they stand out, they are highlighted, and you can easily identify that which were the entries which have been made most recently. Uh, so, how to do this? This is uh, we have used the highlighting of the entries in the yellow color, and we will show you. Just suppose we have this Salat dashboard in which uh, the entries, when you open the file, it makes the automatic entries that until yesterday, all the due uh, have been performed. Uh, you get so it is actually the prayers, six prayers to be performed on daily basis. If they are performed, so they are prayed. If they are not performed, so they are overdue, right? So, so uh, this is the matter of auto open procedure. As soon as the file is open, this is done already. Now, uh, this is a dashboard for to deal with the backlog of the prayers which have not been performed. So you have a backlog of 43,000 prayers. You have to perform it in the order, first come, FIFO order, first in, first out, right? So the first prayer which was missed to be performed first, and so on like this. Okay. So to start entering, you got to double click anywhere. So it takes you to this. Okay. So until 23rd, for example, yeah, I make a. So let's start from 23rd of July that you have. So you don't have to write the 23rd. It will automatically do it, right? So what we have done is that all you need to do is just double click. So it will say how many days have you cleared the backlog of your prayers. So we say 5 days. Okay. So each row is 1 day. It's 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay. So we press enter. So it automatically gets the 23rd July and press enter, pressing enter. You see, it has shown you that 23 July entries, which were the most recent, and they are standing out so that you can easily see which entries have been recently done, right? So let's see the next. When you go to the next clearance of the backlog, you press double click in here. How many days? We say 5. Okay. So this time it is going to put a data stamp of 24. This is automatically, and it will remove the previous highlighting. And this is now the latest entry. And it updates the figures as well. And right, okay, that's okay. And if we carry on until the next day, say how many days? So we say on the next day we perform 5 days prayers, okay, and the next date is already converted to 25. That's right, and it has removed the previous highlight and it has taken the next highlight like this. Okay. Also, you can do it in a random basis. Like, for example, you have a gap. For example, you have two prayers gap in here. You have one prayer gap in here. and you have, say, these two prayers gap in here. So five prayers are, are in a different gap, right? Okay. So what we do is we double click on the first blank, right? So it asks how many days, right? Okay. So let's say we say 5 days we prayed. So it automatically takes 26th of July, right? Okay. So this time it has scattered. It has put the 2 days here, 1 day here, and 2 days here. So this how uh, it intelligently highlights the latest entries. Now, so latest entries are highlighted. So just you have an eye catcher, so you don't have to find them out. And so this trick is very, very useful, and data changes uh, are done constantly and making it crucial to visualize the updates in real time. So this video has demonstrated how to create a dynamic a spreadsheet that highlights the changes automatically, ensuring always you always have the most current information at your fingertips. So normally we get tired of the manual tracking data changes, and imagine a spreadsheet that automatically highlights every update and giving you real insight without lifting a finger. And uh, in this video, we have shown you that you can exactly how to create these dynamic spreadsheets. So look at means why mm, is it necessary in today's um, fast-paced world? Information changes constantly. So this is a concept which you can use to show you immediately what are the latest changes done, right? And staying ahead of the curve uh, it requires the immediate access to the most current data. So highlighting of the most current data is significant in this. The real world updates uh, create means ensure you always making informed decisions, right? So when you will know that what are the latest things, so they are highlighted. So your decision making may sometime be get the support through these techniques. Okay. I hope you enjoyed all this presentation, and you will find it uh, useful. And please stay tuned to our channel. And thank you very much for watching.